I'm here in South London to test the potential of a new type of delivery service that's being tried out right here. A fleet of automated delivery bots. It's easy to be sceptical when it comes to the usefulness of robots in everyday scenarios. But this is one that is actually being used currently in the real world. Just Eat, the food order and delivery service, has teamed up with Starship Technologies to add these robots to their delivery fleet in London. Just Eat's robotic deliveries have been running since November, and they're currently being used in 3 London boroughs. The robots pick up food from a restaurant and deliver it straight to the door of a customer, just like any courier would. Its developers call the robots semi-autonomous, with the fleet being monitored by humans who can take over control at any time.
The robot uses a very sophisticated mapping system. It sees through the camera vision everything that is going on the street and builds a 3D map.
One thing a lot of people will be asking is, what happens if someone steps in front of that thing? How does it avoid having accidents?
When the robot is driving on the street, if someone or something gets on the way, the robot will stop automatically using this very sophisticated software obstacle detection, which creates this field around the robot.
And also, I'm thinking, what happens if someone just wanted to pick this robot up and run away with it?
If you do pick it up, then the alarm would go off and it would be very loud and people would hear it. Second of all, the lid is closed, so your delivery is secured inside the compartment. We also have tracking to the nearest inch, so we know exactly where the robot is if something happens. And we have camera vision, so we can actually see what's going on.
Starship Technologies was set up by 2 co-founders of Skype, and their latest venture is clearly getting investors excited. Starship was recently able to raise $17 million in funding led by Daimler AG. They're also developing commercial delivery pilot programs in the US and Germany, offering robotic delivery for food, grocery and parcel industries. A tie-up with Mercedes will also see the German automaker's vans used as a mothership to carry Starship robots to designated zones, which will then be released for that crucial last-mile delivery.
The big problem is the things that you can't quite predict. People sort of taking them or wrecking them or doing something daft with them or wanting to carry hot food and finding the food arrives cold.
As e-commerce grows, so does the delivery industry. Amazon has been a pioneer in drone delivery, but that is not without its complications, such as overcoming tight airspace regulations. For now, it seems robotic delivery might be the more viable option.
This is more likely to win because lifting things into the air takes a lot of battery power, so you've got a very, very limited range. They can't lift very much, they can't carry much weight. Even with this machine, the battery is a bit limited. I mean, they've got what, a sort of 4-mile range or something like that.
So robots and humans are already jostling for pavement space in areas of London. The clearest sign yet that we're a step closer to a robot society.